Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files into a repository in GitHub. This is useful when you want to add new files to your project without using Git commands. First, open your repository on GitHub. Next, click Add Files. Then select Upload Files. Drag and drop files into the browser or click Choose Your Files to select them from your computer. Once the files have finished uploading, click Commit Changes to add them to your repository. And that's it. Thanks for watching.